across some parts of the British Isles, particularly the north and the east. More on that in just a second. And I'm going to show you one particular statistic which will probably convince you it's a good idea to go sailing around the Aegean during the summer rather than the winter. -18 there up in the northern part of Greece overnight, well below the seasonal average. And they've had a real basin full of it in the eastern Med over recent days. Things settling down at least for a time with the high pressure building in there, but another low on its way. And the skiers amongst you just noticed we've got a couple of fronts working their way down towards the Alps, so I suspect that we'll see a wee bit of snow there. You can't have it both ways at this time of year. You either have it cloudy, relatively mild with a wee bit of rain, or else you can have it bright, but it's a good deal colder as well. You see what I mean about the snow there eventually getting down towards Geneva. Temperatures around about -1. Let us fly away from the eastern Mediterranean up and across the Alps. If you heard it raining in the night, it was this band of cloud now stretching its way down into the western parts of the Channel. Southern parts of the British Isles dry and clear, pretty chilly, so I hear. Looking further north, though, a band of cloud is already producing cloud and rain into the northern part of Scotland, and that's quite significant. More on that in just a second. I've been advertising this change to the colder conditions for a good few days now, and I suspect that trend is still. Now, if we take a look at the situation around about the here and now, you'll see that that cloud is in fact producing a wee bit of rain across the north. Further, sunshine becoming increasingly hazy, but many parts of England and Wales will stay dry for much of the afternoon. But as I say, it is very chilly out there indeed. As we go through tonight, so the cloud and rain will gradually seep its way a little bit further south, but not before, I'm afraid, those temperatures fall away again across the south, with the skies stay that wee bit clearer, even -3, so watch out for some icy stretches on roads. Now, all that cloud and rain is tied in with this front, which becomes significant because it changes the wind direction and introduces that much colder air, which will be a feature for the latter part of Friday and into Saturday as well. So across many central and southern areas, the first signs of that colder and brighter but snowy weather getting into the north and east of Scotland, and that will gradually sink its way a little bit further. You see the change in the temperatures there, 1, 2, 3 degrees, something of that order, 8 or 9 possibly further to the south. Now, those showers are going to become an increasing feature of the weather on the eastern side of the British Isles through Friday and increasingly into Saturday, because as that front moves south, down comes the cold air, and that's where we're going to see those. So just bear that in mind, as I say, if you are travelling. And then by Sunday, we change our direction there up. We see some more significant snowfall.